Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. So today's video will be a really quick installation video of a VPAS unit. You guys, this does not take time at all. Like, it can be done by anybody without stress. So the unit I'm going to install today is from Amanda Air. I already showed you guys the pack and what they sent. So here is the unit. Like, the coils is gorgeous, guys. This is what it looks like straight out of the pack, and the construction of the wig cap, that's what I'm showing you guys now. It has combs, it has adjustable band and clips. So without wasting much of your time, let's go right into the installation of this VPAT unit from Amanda Hair. Also, I'm going to leave all details to this unit in my description box, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Also subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. And here guys, this is the final look of this installation. This unit is gorgeous guys. This V-part wig is giving. You guys see how juicy the coils are. This is a really good unit, and like I said before, I'm going to leave all details to this unit in my description box. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow.